Hi everyone, now I will show you how to share your documents or list of references with your colleagues. Okay, the first one we need to do just highlights the documents that you want to share with your colleagues. Okay, first, let's say you click this one, for example, and then hold the shift button if you want to select more than one. For example, I just select all these 11 documents to share with my colleagues. Then after that, I just need to go to File, then click Export, and then just rename it as it is to for you. And then save as type is RIS format, and then click Save. And after that, your friend have this is considered as your friend's account. That you need to do is just log into the account. Okay, here, what your friends need to do is search for the reference that you just send to them, and then they just need drag and drop it. For example, this one, sorry, drag and drop it here. So these are the documents that's just sent to them. Okay, documents with the PDF as well. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.